What do you have? Did Daddy get you a surprise? He did. Is it good? Are you wearing it on your finger? Is that making you feel better? Are you sleeping? I keep hearing you snore.